Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the track you want to shape. Open Smart Controls or press B to reveal them. Once visible, add Visual EQ from Plugins EQ Visual EQ. You should play the section you'll edit at moderate volume so you hear changes clearly. Lower latency mode helps when monitoring. Adjust the analyzer display settings to show spectrum and set range to -60 dB or a comfortable level. Now you're ready to listen for problem frequencies and boosts. You should solo and loop the troublesome section. Watch the spectrum to spot spikes or energy that sounds harsh or muddy. Then select a band with a narrow Q, boost it a lot, and sweep to find the exact offending frequency. This reveals the culprit. Once found, cut that band by about 3 to 6 dB with a gentler Q to preserve tone. Conversely, make broad, small boosts of 1 to 3 dB to add presence or warmth, and toggle bypass to compare. You finish by applying a high-pass filter to clean subsonic rumble, typically around 40 to 80 Hz for vocals or instruments, and make subtle high-shelf boosts if needed. Once done, match the processed output level to the bypass level so you're not fooled by loudness differences. Use gain trim in the plugin. If you hear phase issues or ringing, reduce the Q, move the band slightly, or switch to linear phase if available. This fixes common artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.